changing oil on the KX250F 2022. We're also going to be adding a aftermarket oil filter cover from Nice CNC. There's the part number, guys. It's actually got a clear plastic or some sort of screen on there, so you can actually see the engine oil when it's running. So that's kind of cool. We also have a discount code available from Nice CNC to get all their products at a discounted rate. BKB11, it's going to get you 11% off. They have tons of parts, guys, like way more than you can even imagine for bikes, quads, automotive, other various things like shop tools and stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say shop tools. I know we bought like you go into like a little Beat Buddy to help you with changing tires. I mean, they have flywheel pullers.
Oh yeah.
You know, everything that you could need, really.
So we're going to be installing that when we change out the oil filter on this machine. We always run the, for now, Kawasaki OEM filters. I think you got a pack of them when you bought the bike, maybe?
I bought some.
Or did you buy some? Okay. He bought like a 3 or 5 pack because he does change the oil quite frequently, like you should if you're riding your bike, you know, at a racetrack or hard trail riding. What, 3 to 5 hours?
Yep, I usually go about 5.
Yep, so oil's cheap maintenance, cheap insurance, so we always run a good quality 1040. You can see, I think we have Maxima Premium 1040 high performance engine oil, motorcycle spec for wet clutch systems.
Yep, you want it to have the API and the JSO certification.
Yes, sir. Already drained the oil. It is draining as we speak. We're going to take an 8mm socket, get you in here, and we'll take that oil filter out. It's a cartridge, similar to the newer car styles these days.
Just gotta be careful with the spring.
Pretty tight O-ring seal there, guys.
Spring.
There we have it. We will be doing videos on a few other products from Nice CNC for what, YZ85, RM85, YZ250F, CRF150R. So we have stuff from Nice CNC for all of those bikes. Lots of aluminum add-ons, stuff to bling out your bikes, make them look cool. I think this green anodized is going to look pretty stellar. Wow, she's in there good. There she comes.
Yeah, so you just want to remember your foam or your rubber goes inside.
Yep.
Because obviously spring's got to sit in there.
Yep, and the oil is going to flow through your filter into the center of that spigot.
Yep.
To feed the engine filtered oil. You always have a plethora of rags here at all times when we're doing oil changes. Brake cleaner's a friendly addition as well. From your neighborhood, O'Reilly's is probably the best. Strong stuff.
Yeah. Or the SuperTech. That SuperTech stuff from Walmart is pretty good.
Yep.
Cheap, and it's got really good pressure. Really good pressure.
True that.
Stuff.
We always wipe the little bit of contents out.
Some of that old oil out of there. So yeah.
It's that simple.
Good.
You always lube up the O-ring, and it even says on those, what does it say? Use or this side towards engine.
Yep.
On the OEMs, guys, they're going to have that.
Say that in aftermarket.
Nope, not in aftermarkets typically. And there it is.
Yeah, it slides in there like so.
I don't believe it matters what direction. It's symmetrical.
Yeah, it's the same stuff both ways. Just a little bit of oil on her. Yeah, I would probably put it like that with the Nice NC logo. I mean, I guess it's the same thing either way. Huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Literally the exact same. So yeah, shouldn't matter which way. Pull our spring. Should put the spring on here.
Yep, pilot it on there. Yep, find the center of the filter.
Start one of these here bolts.
Yep.
That thing looks trick.
Oh yeah. Get you in here a little closer, guys. You can see the beginning stages of this.
Obviously it's spring loaded. So.
Yep. You can put a little bit of pressure on it with your fingers, and then once you get it decently hand snug, you can go ahead, take your ratchet and cinch it up. Torque spec on these is not very much.
Yeah.
We always just go very, very light with the wrist snug.
Yep. They kind of
'Cause we are-
stopping point though. You know, we're
Right.
kind of bottom.
And we are frequent oil changers, so this comes on and off quite often.
Right.
There's no need to Loctite it in our application. Because maybe if you're racing in a really hard
Right there.
course.
Can't get any more. Can't get any more. So
Looks good, dude.
that thing looks BA.
Looks trick.
Hell yeah. Oh,
First 500 milliliters of engine oil going in. This calls for 850 milliliters, or 0.85 liters, or what, 0.85 quarts, basically the same thing, 0.8 quarts.
28 quarts, 0.85 liters.
We're going in milliliters with our Ratio Right bottle
Yep.
that we use for mixing 2-cycle oil as well. Nice clean Maxima. We've already properly tightened the drain plug, guys, so no one worries there. We just got to put our fill cap on, and we always check it with the bike straight up. Should be good. Right where we need to be, guys. Here's the sight glass. You can see it is full right underneath the rear brake lever there. So we know our oil is at the proper level. We're just going to go ahead and fire it up so you guys can see this bling trick oil filter cover. There you go. Oh, dude, that's cool. Sweet. Sweet. There you have it. Oil change is done. Sweet new oil filter cover installed. You guys could see as it was running, it was filling up, and now it's full of oil. At least you know your oil pump's good. All right, on to the next one from Nice CNC. We'll see you in the next video. We'll get some more content on that stuff, doing some repairs as well, and also finishing projects in the shop.
Very impressed.
Super quick and easy install. I mean, you could do that in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Oil change in that in 5 minutes, guys.
If you lean the bike over, you won't even have to.
Oh, and you could, yeah, if you were not doing an oil change, what Caleb was saying is you can lean the bike over on its left, not lose any oil, pop that stock cover off, put the 2 bolts in, lube the O-ring, slap them back on, and you'd be riding again in a minute or less. So you don't have to change the oil to install this. But we figured we'd kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yep. A lot of guys like doing that too with when they change clutch packs.
Yep.
Lean right over.
Same thing.
Oil in.
Until next time.